Okay, so this 2008 GMC Acadia. You see I have a OBD connected on the other side. I just tried swapping the fuel injectors over because I was getting misfire, well, P0300 code, but what I see is cylinders 5 and 3 don't work because when I disconnect them while the car is working, there's no change to the engine. Okay, this is what happens. Okay, so I start it. Okay. That's how this is working. Soon there's gonna be blinking MIL. Just waiting for it. Come on. As you can see, the engine starts shaking right now. Now we got the blinking code. That's how the Rattle works. Okay, and guess what happens now? So I go clear the code. I'll try to read it first. Oops, sorry. And I go, oh, one thing. So this says open loop due to system failure. The whole car is shaking, as you can see. And I go full codes. I go show logged first. It says nothing, and then I go clear. Check this out. Okay, this is the sound that just came on. Sounds like a fuel injector. Spark plug, but I just put brand new 2 spark plugs back there and put the 2 confirmed working coils. And this sound comes right after I clear the code, and there's no error for now. We go again. Codes clear.